16 Home Remedies for Gonorrhea. Gonorrhea, also known as the clap, is the most common sexually transmitted disease, STD. It can occur in both women and men and should not be confused with chlamydia, a similar but distinct bacterial sexually transmitted disease. The disease is caused by the bacteria Neisseria gonorrhoea. In most cases, this pathogen affects the throat, rectum, and urethra, causing painful swelling, burning, and a foul white discharge. The standard medical treatment for this infection is a course of antibiotics. However, if you want to know how to treat your gonorrhea at home or cure gonorrhea naturally in private, then we would recommend you try our home remedies to get rid of gonorrhea. Symptoms of gonorrhea. It is estimated that more than half of the infections caused by Neisseria gonorrhoea go undiagnosed. This is because the infection does not produce any visible symptoms in the sufferers. So, why is it so important to treat gonorrhea if it does not cause any symptoms? The effects caused by gonorrhea might be minimal initially. If left untreated, it can progress to a dangerous form that can give rise to various complications. If you are a woman, it can even harm your reproductive organs, inducing infertility, pain, pelvic inflammatory disease, and a high risk of ectopic pregnancy. It can also lower sperm count in males according to the CDC. So, you fell a victim to this infection and are now wondering where to head? Lucky for you, there are a lot of home remedies for gonorrhea that you can use on your own and make sure that the disease goes away in no time. But first, it is important for you to confirm it is actually gonorrhea that you are suffering from. Following are some of the most common symptoms seen in a patient of a gonorrhea. Symptoms in males. If you are a male, you should be looking for the following symptoms in your body. Urination accompanied by pain or burning. Urine tinged with blood. Unusual discharge from the penis, usually green, yellow, or white in color. Frequent urination and sore throat. Symptoms in females. In females, the gonorrheal infection may produce the following symptoms. Unusual vaginal discharge, sometimes accompanied by a yeast-like smell. Urination accompanied by burning or pain. Increased urination. Sore throat. Vaginal itching. Painful intercourse. Severe abdominal pain. Fever. Inflamed cervix. Always remember that symptoms begin to appear 2 to 10 days after you have been infected. They can be delayed up to 30 days in males sometimes. There is no clinical presentation in 20% of males and about 80% of the females. If you are wondering how you can get rid of gonorrhea, but feel too embarrassed to discuss it with the doctor, the following home remedies for gonorrhea are meant for you. Home remedies for gonorrhea. Olive leaf extract. Olive leaf extract is a great home remedy to treat gonorrhea due to a powerful substance known as oleuropein. Oleuropein has effective antimicrobial properties and can even lead to complete destruction of the pathogen responsible for gonorrhea. The extract of olive leaf completely surrounds the infection and kills it gradually. You may also receive a boost in your immune system as a bonus with this remedy. A stronger immune system will not only kick gonorrhea out of your system, it will also prevent its recurrence. Be sure to buy only the authentic and the most powerful olive leaf extract, as not all of them are equally effective. Oregano oil. Why you should be using oregano oil is because it has so many different properties. It is not only antimicrobial but also effective against fungus, parasites, and even viruses. Oregano oil is, however, most popularly known for its property to kill bacteria. This oil is also a great way to strengthen your immune system and empower your body to get rid of gonorrhea. The best way to use this oil is to mix it with colloidal silver and olive leaf extract. When mixed together, all three components work synergistically and produce an enhanced effect. Mixing 3 to 4 drops of this magical oil into 6 ounces of water will provide you with a drink that can be a perfect natural remedy for gonorrhea. Oregano is available in different varieties. Be sure to pick the best one. Alkalizing food. One of the most important things to remember while fighting gonorrhea is to maintain an alkaline environment in your body. How does it make a difference? It is a fact that no bacteria are able to survive in an alkaline environment. Luckily, it is quite easy to induce and maintain an alkaline environment in your body. All you have to do is just start eating food rich in alkaline properties. These foods may include seeds, beans, whole grains and even nuts. Fresh fruits and vegetables are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and other important nutrients, so don't forget to eat plenty of them. If you are a vegan, leafy greens such as wheatgrass, alfalfa, barley grass and chlorella can be the perfect alkalizing food for you, so add them to your diet right now. Baboo Leaves. Using baboo leaves is one of the home remedies for gonorrhea that can provide amazing results. It is completely safe to use and does not have any risks associated with it. Baboo is actually a natural herb that can treat a lot of conditions like diabetes, dysentery, leukorrhea, diarrhea and of course, gonorrhea. These leaves are loaded with wonderful properties that can stop inflammation, treat wounds, and decrease pain associated with gonorrhea. It is even regarded as one of the best treatments for gonorrhea in both males and females. Yogurt. You all are well aware of the benefits of yogurt. It can improve your digestive system and make your skin glow. It has significant effects on your overall health and diseases like gonorrhea. Yogurt is said to be rich in probiotics, calcium, protein, iodine, potassium and a lot of vitamins. As per research, it can even enhance your immune function. You can use yogurt in several ways, but a direct way of using it is to dip a tampon in 1 tablespoon of cool yogurt and place it on the affected area. Because of its cooling properties, your pain will gradually alleviate. You can easily purchase yogurt from any departmental store and can even make it yourself at home. Load on vitamin C. Anything that boosts your immune system is good for you, and vitamin C is one of those things. It is, in fact, regarded as one of the most important and significant natural foods for improving the immune performance of your body. When it comes to gonorrhea, it can effectively treat it in both men and women. So, all you have to do is to get as much vitamin C as you can by consuming certain foods such as spinach, broccoli and citrus fruits. As per our research, this vitamin also works as an antioxidant, which means that it can relieve pain and inflammation associated with gonorrhea. Zinc. Zinc is a mineral that actively fights infections. It does so by increasing the total number of antibodies and white blood cells in your body. The immune system is strengthened and the body is capable of fighting off gonorrheal infection easily. Incorporating zinc in your daily diet is quite easy. Eat chicken, sesame seeds, and oysters to increase the zinc stores in the body. Consuming dark chocolate can also do the trick and empower you to combat this disease more efficiently. Garlic. How to cure gonorrhea with garlic. Garlic is an antibacterial herb and can treat gonorrhea. It consists of a component named allicin that is responsible for fighting gonorrhea and restoring a healthy state in the body. How to cure gonorrhea with garlic. There are a lot of natural supplements available in the market for this purpose, but it is preferable if you use garlic directly. How much garlic to cure gonorrhea is not much. Start including more garlic in your cooking or start using raw garlic pods. If you do not like to consume it by mouth, make a paste by crushing a few cloves and use it as a lotion to treat all the affected area. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is known to be one of the most powerful home remedies for gonorrhea in men and women. In addition to gonorrhea, it is frequently used for curing yeast infections. There are several ways to use apple cider vinegar for gonorrhea. How to use apple cider vinegar for gonorrhea. You can mix apple cider vinegar with coconut oil and mix it thoroughly. Apply this mixture to the affected areas using any bandage. The mixture can also be used internally by absorbing it in a tampon. Additionally, you can add about 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into your bath to get rid of this infection. If you cannot find apple cider vinegar, try repeating these processes using the simple white vinegar. Algae. Did you know that certain algae can successfully treat gonorrheal infections? According to research published in the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Biomedicine, different kinds of algae such as Chlorococcum humicola consists of certain compounds that possess antimicrobial power. These compounds are known as carotenoids and are said to be fat-soluble pigments frequently found in algae. Using carotenoids can improve the overall status of your health against different acute and chronic diseases. This is because carotenoids are said to be antioxidants and can protect your system from oxidation and irregular cell growth. Oxidative stress is said to be one of the contributing factors in the progression of different diseases like gonorrhea, and antioxidants like carotenoids can actively stop them. Guyabano fruit. Guyabano fruit is one of the most effective and all-natural home remedies for gonorrhea. It is very easy to use and does not require much effort. Just get some Guyabano fruit, extract some juice and drink it at your ease. Metabolites and extracts of Guyabano fruit are said to have very useful properties such as anthelmintic, anti-inflammatory, anti-ulcer and antibacterial. The fruit is also found to be beneficial for scavenging free radicals. With all these properties, Guyabano fruit is a great remedy for treating the gonorrheal infection. Additionally, there are vitamin B and B1% in the fruit that can work to reduce the symptoms of this infection. Take care of your hygiene. Maintaining a proper hygiene is the surest and the easiest way of preventing infections and speeding up the recovery process. If you are suffering from gonorrhea, make sure that you take care of your personal hygiene. Moisture provides a favorable environment for bacteria to thrive. So, always keep your genital area dry and clean all the time. If you tend to sweat a lot naturally, try using a non-fragrant antibacterial powder on your genitals. This will not only maintain hygiene but will keep the area dry. The infectious bacteria will not be able to multiply or breed and will eventually begin to die out slowly. Always wear dry and properly washed underwear. Swimmers must be extra careful to change their swimsuits immediately after their swimming session. Econosia. The beneficial effects of Econosia on our body are far-stretching. It is considered as a common herbal remedy for treating cold, cough, spring allergies, flu and respiratory infections. Did you know that it can also treat many other problems as well? In addition to being effective against viruses and fungi, Econosia also has strong antibiotic properties. This means that it can kill bacteria and get rid of different infections. It also stimulates your immune system to assist it in killing the bacteria causing gonorrhea. Don't forget to incorporate this natural herb in your routine to get rid of gonorrhea fast. Parsley and celery. Another out of the all-natural home remedies for gonorrhea in men and women is by consuming parsley and celery. These vegetables are rich in a certain chemical substance called flavonoids. Flavonoids are said to possess antibacterial properties and can successfully treat gonorrhea. Celery is also found to be a rich source of polysaccharides and antioxidants that can support your health and reduce certain signs of gonorrhea such as inflammation. A research by the Journal of Pharmacy and Pharmacology has also indicated that there are certain antimicrobial components particularly present in the seeds of celery. Both parsley and celery are healthy foods and you need to add them in your daily diet at once to start treating gonorrhea infection naturally. Colloidal silver. Colloidal silver is famous for its strong antibacterial properties and healing properties, especially on the soft tissues. Colloidal silver can enhance cellular respiration and breathe new life into injured cells. How to use colloidal silver for gonorrhea. Prepare a douche and add some drops of colloidal silver to it. Use it on the affected parts once every day to treat your infection treated. Alternatively, mix a teaspoon of colloidal silver in a glass of water and drink the solution 5 times a day for 3 months. Onion. Onion is related to garlic and possesses the same medicinal properties. It is an antibacterial vegetable and can help treat gonorrhea. Similar to garlic, it contains a component named allicin that can fight the gonorrhea bacterium and restore your health. How to use onion to cure gonorrhea. Allicin is available in supplement form. Take supplements daily. A more convenient option is to use more onion in your cooking and try to eat more raw onion. Finely chop an onion, then make a paste to apply topically. The lotion can be used to treat all the affected area. How to prevent gonorrhea. It is important for you to keep in mind certain tips while treating gonorrhea to prevent its recurrence in the future. For this purpose, there are some steps that you must follow at once. In general, abstinence of sexual contact is said to be the only guaranteed way to prevent a recurrence of gonorrhea. Use condoms. Using a condom is an easy and reliable way of preventing a recurrence of a gonorrhea. Condoms can be easily purchased from the market and are available for both men and women. Always use a fresh condom before participating in any kind of sexual activity. Talk about STDs. It is important that you talk with your partner about STDs before beginning a physical relationship with them. Make sure if he or she is vulnerable to develop an STD such as gonorrhea. Keep in mind that it is possible for people to have an active gonorrheal infection without even realizing it. Be on the safe side and always get your partner checked medically. It might seem uncomfortable to talk about, but it is necessary for your safety. Avoid physical contact with an infected individual. If your partner complains of having a rash or sores around his genital areas and feels pain while urinating, stop having any sexual contact with them at once and get them treated. Get screened for gonorrhea regularly. It is equally important for both men and women to have screening tests for gonorrhea on a regular basis, especially if they have more than one sexual partners. In general, screening is carried out annually. Be responsible. If you have been diagnosed and treated successfully for gonorrhea, it is time for you to be responsible for not spreading it to others. Avoid having any sexual relationship for at least 7 days after your infection has been cleared. This will not only minimize the chances of spread but will also prevent recurrence. Do not touch eyes. If you have an active gonorrheal infection, take care not to touch your eyes immediately after you have touched your or your infected partner's genitals. This will limit the spread of infection to your eyes and reduce complications.